Google's next budget phone have just been revealed in an unexpected way. A new video promoting the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge's camera features might have accidentally shown us the upcoming Pixel 9a tech fans were quick to notice a brief moment in the video where a phone appeared that closely matched previous leaks of the Pixel 9a. If this is really Google's next affordable smartphone, then we might have just gotten an early look before its official announcement. Rumors suggest that Google plans to release the Pixel 9a in March, putting it in direct competition with Samsung's Galaxy S25 Edge and Apple's iPhone 16e. But what really stands out is not just the early reveal, it's the major shift in design. If this leak is accurate, Google could be moving away from its well-known horizontal camera bar, a feature that has made the A-series phones stand out in the past. Instead of the familiar bar stretching across the back, the leaked images suggest a more traditional camera placement, with the lenses sitting almost flush with the rear panel. This change gives the phone a sleeker and more minimalist look, making it blend in more with other smartphones. Another noticeable difference is the chamfered edges, where the back panel meets the side rails, giving the device a refined and polished feel. For years, the A-series has had a distinct design that set it apart from other smartphones, but this possible change hints at Google taking a different approach. Some users might miss the bold look of the camera bar, but a flat camera module does have its advantages. It reduces wobbling when placed on a table and can help keep the lenses safe from scratches. While this Samsung video didn't reveal much else, leaks over the past few months have already provided plenty of details about what the Pixel 9a might offer. The phone is expected to feature Google's Tensor G4 chip, the same processor found in the premium Pixel 9 lineup. This means users can expect solid performance along with AI-powered features at a more affordable price. On the back, the Pixel 9a is rumored to have a 48-megapixel main camera and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens, making it a noticeable upgrade from previous A-series models. The front camera is expected to be 13 megapixels, sitting inside a small punch hole cutout at the top of the screen. These improvements could make the phone a great choice for photography, especially for those who want high-quality images without spending too much. Battery life also appears to be getting an upgrade. Reports indicate that the Pixel 9a will come with a 5,100 mAh battery, which should provide longer usage times compared to its predecessors. Fast charging is another highlight, with support for 23-watt charging, allowing users to power up their device quickly. As for the display, leaks suggest it will be 6.3 inches, making it slightly larger than the Pixel 7a. A bigger screen could be a welcome change for those who enjoy watching videos, gaming, or browsing the web. However, it's still unclear whether the phone will have a high refresh rate, which could be an important factor for some buyers. Since this potential leak came from an unexpected source, a Samsung video, it's hard to say if the phone shown was an early production unit, a prototype, or even a mistake. If this truly is the final design, then Google might be moving in a new direction for its A-series lineup. The removal of the camera bar may make the Pixel 9 look less like its predecessors, but the rumored features still suggest it will offer the same smooth software experience that Google phones are known for. With the official launch expected soon, we should be getting more details directly from Google in the coming weeks. But until then, what are your thoughts? Do you like this new design, or do you prefer the classic look with the camera bar? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech news. Have you ever imagined just how slim a smartphone can get without sacrificing its performance? Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 Edge may be on the brink of answering that question, but there's a twist to the story. The Galaxy S25 Edge is poised to give Apple's iPhone 17 Air a run for its money. Both of these upcoming smartphones are expected to wow us with their incredibly slim designs, but the real question is, how slim can they go while still offering the powerful features we expect from premium devices? The iPhone 17 Air is rumored to be around 6.25 millimeters thick, while the Galaxy S25 Edge could potentially come in even thinner at 6.4 millimeters, with some speculations hinting that it may be as thin as 5.8 millimeters. But let's not focus solely on how thin these phones are. There's also something else to consider. OnePlus is preparing to unveil the Open 2, which could be as thin as 4 millimeters when unfolded. Yes, a foldable phone at just 4 millimeters. However, let's return to the Galaxy S25 Edge, which has sparked plenty of buzz due to its early performance results. Recently, the Galaxy S25 Edge appeared on Geekbench, a well-known benchmarking tool that evaluates a phone's performance by testing its processor, graphics, and overall speed. It measures how well a device handles multitasking, gaming, and overall performance. The first test results for the Galaxy S25 Edge were exactly consistent, with a score of 3,005 in the single-core test and 6,945 in the multi-core test. But more recent results have shown a notable shift. The updated benchmarks show that the Galaxy S25 Edge scored 2,806 in the single-core test, slightly lower than before, but it achieved a much stronger score of 8,416 in the multi-core test. This suggests that the phone could be more efficient at handling multiple tasks at once, which is a major plus for those who use their phones for gaming or multitasking. That said, it's important to remember that these are early test results and the device isn't official yet, so these figures should be taken with a pinch of salt. Performance aside, Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to feature some impressive specs, including a 200-megapixel main camera that will surely appeal to photography enthusiasts. On the front, the phone will likely sport a 12-megapixel selfie camera. The display will be equipped with an LTPO panel that offers a 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 2,600 nits. If that's not bright enough for you, I'm not sure what is. For durability, Samsung is expected to include an Arbor aluminum frame and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, making the Galaxy S25 Edge resistant to drops and scratches. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Edge will likely be powered by 12 GB of random access memory, RAM, and UFS 4.0 storage, ensuring that the device runs fast and efficiently, even when handling large files and apps. It will also feature support for Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and USB-C 3.2, ensuring quick data transfer and seamless connectivity. In terms of charging, the Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to support 25-watt charging speeds. While this might not be the fastest charging solution available, it should be more than enough for quick top-ups throughout the day. As for the processor, while it hasn't been officially confirmed, it's likely that the Galaxy S25 Edge will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, with Samsung likely sticking with Qualcomm for this generation. We might see Exynos chips return in the Galaxy S26, but for now, the Snapdragon 8 Elite seems like the safer choice. One thing to keep in mind is the battery. While the battery might be smaller than previous models, the Snapdragon 8 Elite's efficiency should allow the Galaxy S25 Edge to last all day without any major issues. At least it better. If you're as excited about the Galaxy S25 Edge as I am, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Have you been waiting for the One UI 7 update on your Samsung phone? The wait could be nearly over. For the past few months, Samsung fans have been on edge, watching as Galaxy S24 series owners enjoy the beta version of the upcoming update. Meanwhile, millions of other users have been stuck on Android 14 with One UI 6.1, wondering when they'll finally get their hands on the new version. Well, the end of the wait might be closer than we think. Although Samsung hasn't officially confirmed the exact release date, there are several strong indicators that the update could roll out very soon. A key clue is the upcoming launch of the Galaxy S25 series. These new flagship devices will ship with One UI 7 already installed, and they're set to hit shelves on February 7. It's likely that Samsung has been holding off on the global One UI 7 release to keep the focus on the Galaxy S25 series launch. Once those new devices are out in the wild, Samsung will likely begin releasing the update for older models. Another reason to believe the release is near is the stability of the latest One UI 7 beta for the Galaxy S24 lineup. With the final beta versions performing well and offering a smooth experience, it's clear that Samsung has made significant progress. This suggests that most of the tests